Hello students, welcome to Workbook English WB class. So today we are going to read a new chapter in page number 32. Okay, alright, so all of you please open your workbook, page number 32, chapter number 5. The chapter name is The Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay, this is a very interesting story. Okay, let's read the chapter. I'll read for you. Listen carefully. Okay, Jack and his mother were very poor. Jack and his mother were very poor. One day, Jack sold their cow. He bought some beans with the money. So, kids, this is the story of a poor boy and his mother. They were leading a miserable life. They were not having much money to buy their daily life, daily needs, food, and clothes. Okay, and one day when they had no money, so one day the mother asked Jack to go to the market to sell their only one cow. They had only one cow, and the mother asked Jack to go to the market to sell their cow. Then soon Jack started with the cow to the market. Then in the market they sold the cow. Jack sold their cow and he bought some beans. He bought some bean seeds. You know what are bean seeds? These are bean seeds. So he got very few bean seeds. Then with that bean seeds, Jack returned to his home, and when he reached home, he showed with the money. What did Jack buy? Jack bought only very few little silly bean seeds only. Okay, so by seeing this, mother got furious. Mother becomes so angry. Then his mother threw the beans into the garden. His mother threw the beans into the garden. The next day, there was a very, very tall bean plant in their garden. So, what happened, students? What happened? Yes, when mother in anger, she threw the bean seeds into the garden in front of the house. Okay, then when Jack, without eating anything on that day, he slept. They went sleep. Then when the next morning when they woke up, there was a very huge tall bean plant grown up in their garden. So we can understand it was some magical bean seeds, isn't it? Those were magical bean seeds. So there grew a giant huge bean plant which grew into the sky. It grows up to the sky. Jack climbed the beanstalk. So Jack was a little bit adventurous, so he wanted to climb up the beanstalk because it grew up into the sky. So Jack started climbing. Jack climbed the beanstalk. He came to the top. Then Jack came to the top. Means he went up and up and up. He reached the top of the bean plant into the sky. Then what did Jack see there? Jack saw there was a large palace at the top. There was a large palace at the top. Do you know what is the meaning of a palace? Palace means it's a big house, isn't it? Like this, yeah? Palace or a castle, we can say like that. There was a large palace at the top. Where it is in the top means when he goes up and up again in the sky through the beanstalk, he could see there a palace. An ogre lived there. Who was living there in the palace? Yes, an ogre lived there. So what do you mean by ogre? Ogre means it's a giant, ugly looking, man-eating beast. Okay, it's a beast. Yes, look at the picture. It's ogre means it's huge beast, ugly looking beast. Okay, an ogre can eat man. So an ogre lived there in the palace. Jack saw a magic hen that laid golden eggs. So Jack started roaming through the palace, around the palace, so he could see a magic hen. That time the ogre was sleeping. Yes, maybe. Then Jack saw a magic hen that laid golden eggs. He took it and ran. He took it. It means what is here? Magic hen. He took the magic hen and ran. And he started climbing down the beanstalk. Ogre chased him. Somehow the ogre woke up by listening the sound. The ogre chased him. Chased him means followed him. The ogre followed Jack through the beanstalk. What will Jack do, kids? Jack climbed down the beanstalk. Then he took a knife and quickly cut the beanstalk. Then what did Jack do? Jack was knowing that the ogre is following him. So as soon as he reached, he climbed down. He stepped on the floor, the ground, his foot. What he did, he went quickly into her house and he took a knife. He grabbed a knife and he quickly cut the beanstalk. The ogre fell down with a crash and died. The ogre fell down with a crash and died. So when Jack cut the beanstalk, what happened? The beanstalk and also the giant fell down with a crash and died. So this is the story, kids. Okay, now we have to write new words. Okay, I will show you what are new words we will read. Okay. Then the magic hen laid many golden eggs. Jack and his mother were never poor again. So how did Jack got a magic hen? Yes, Jack got a magic hen from the ogre palace of the ogre in the sky, and he took the magic hen, and thereafter the magic hen laid golden eggs and they were never poor again. They lived a happily life ever after. They lived happily. So let's now all of you open your English WB copy and let's write new words. So first thing you have to write the date of the date, which day you are writing, the date you will write, then write the chapter name, Jack and the Beanstalk, then write the side heading, new words. Okay, next number 1, what is the first new word? Poor, P-O-O-R, poor. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to write 4 times the words. And next word is S-O-L-D. What to read that? Sold. Sold. S-O-L-D. Sold. So that also you will write 4 times in the copy. Okay, and learn the spellings. Next word is, third word is bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. Okay, and coming to the fourth word, that is garden. Garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. That also you will write 4 times. Sorry, says 4 times. G-A-R-D-E-N, D-E-N, garden. And the fifth word is climbed. What is that? C-L-I-M-B-E-D, climbed. Climbed. Next, sixth word is ogre. Ogre, all of you know the meaning now, yes? Ogre meaning it's a giant man-eating, yes, beast. O-G-R-E, ogre. And next is chased. C-H-A-S-E-D, chased. So these are the new words. All of you write this. All the words, each words you will write 4 times and learn the spellings. Now we will go to the textbook exercise. Okay kids, now in page number 33 we have to make we have to write true or false. You have to read the sentence and we have to check whether they are true or false, whether the statements are true or false. Now first sentence is Jack sold the cow and bought some beans. Jack sold the cow and bought some beans. So how did the Jack buy some bean seeds? Yes, he sold the cow and he buy the bean seeds. So it is true. Now coming to the next, it is second sentence. His mother threw the beans into the pot. His mother threw the beans into the pot. Where did the Jack's mother throw the bean seeds, kids? Into the garden or into the pot? Here it is given into the pot. So it will be false. The statement will be false. Next, third one is Jack climbed to the top of the bean plant. Yes, of course, we all know it is true. Next, Jack took a magic egg and ran away. Jack took a magic egg and ran away. This little bit tricky and confusing. What did Jack take from the palace of ogre? Yes, he took a magic hen, not magic egg. He took a magic hen. So here it is given Jack took a magic egg and ran away. So it must be false. Next, fifth sentence is Jack cut the beanstalk and the ogre fell down and died. Jack cut the beanstalk and the ogre fell down and died. It is true. Yes, the ogre. How was the ending of, how did the ogre ended? Yes, he died. He fell down from the beanstalk and he died. So it is true. Now we have to check. Okay, we will discuss some of the opposite words. Okay, so look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? There are two persons, isn't it? There are two persons. Then one person who is standing, he is wearing nice clothes and he is holding a mobile and he is giving money to the man who is sitting. So look at the sitting man. How is he? He is in miserable condition. He is wearing a ruggish dress, not wearing good clothes, and he is taking money from the other man. So we can say this is rich man and this is poor man. He is a poor person and he is a rich man. So these words rich and poor, these words are opposite. These words are opposite. Rich opposite is poor. Like that. Next, look at this. Tall, short. One is tall and what is the opposite? Tall. If not tall, it must be short. If not short, it will be tall. Okay. So tall, short, these are opposite words. And look at this. There is one girl is sitting at the top of the slide and one girl is sitting at the bottom of the slide. So top, bottom. Top opposite is bottom and up opposite is down. Up opposite is down. So these are the few words that we have to check. Now you will write this in the copy. Okay, I already sent through Snap what we have to write, how we have to write. Like this we will write in the copy. Okay, you have to write the title, opposites and date, and here poor, opposite is rich, tall, short, top, bottom, down, up. Day, what is the opposite of day? Night. Quickly, slowly. So these are the opposite. Okay, all of you, hope everybody understood. Take care. Bye bye.